Hello and welcome to my daily disaster news channel. The information in the video also means that in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia.
أمطار جدة الخميس أمطار جدة.
يا الله يا الله ضربت الكهرباء يا الله رحمتك يا الله.
Severe flooding has hit Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, causing widespread damage and disruption.
يا ساتر يا الله تعالى.
Heavy rains have inundated streets and homes, leading to the evacuation of affected residents. Emergency services are working tirelessly to assist those in need, and authorities are urging residents to exercise caution and stay safe during this crisis. The government has announced relief efforts to provide aid and support to the affected communities. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.